Boink. Ooh, that thing is sexy.
So sick.
Out here at Asante Medical in Medford, Oregon.
We're filming for charity today. Kids with cancer, we're helping out with our FPV drones. I'm so scared.
I wanted to pick it up and be like,
I'm gonna throw it out.
But I was like, come on, we calibrate and it should be like
Calibrate. Okay.
Gordon, why do we got to calibrate that thing?
When you change frame rates on the RED, it changes the temperature reading on the sensor, which can mess with the black levels. So we calibrate it to the frame rate we're filming so that the blacks look creamy and perfect.
That's not true.
It's fake news. You're fake news.
Wobble, wibble, wobble.
I think it's more of like a electrical interconnection.
No, it's an electrical underpinning.
It's the kinetic pressure potential.
Also helps with that low end audio.
When you can scrub the bluffs.
Hey, it's done.
Open sesame, dude.
This is the Lumenier QAV-PRO lifter X8.
It's surreal to see my RED flying in the air.
How does it make you feel?
How does it make you feel? I mean, we're with a licensed operator, very detail-oriented person. I think I'm comfortable.
Yes.
Honestly.
Yeah, I look like I'm homeless. I almost want to do this with a 5-inch just really quick.
They love the 5-inch. If they can get a 7, they prefer the 7, but they're never complaining about the 5. All right, maybe we should get this out of the road.
We're gonna do a test flight with the 5-inch real quick. Make sure everything goes smooth.
Oh, he's backflipping, dude. Fuck you.
What's your feedback right now?
Yeah, like if I'm over this building and come in, yeah, like how much can you see that drone shadow?
Are you seeing any drone shadow? Can you do a pass where you're like looking out for it? Because I think we probably go. So you start right here. The shot would start right there. Just, and it would probably end right there. Did you see any shadow?
No.
All right, we're dialed.
I only saw a shadow
right
right
there.
when I was up on the building.
Jeremy McGrath, dude. Out here freestyling.
Let's do it.
That is one. I'd do it.
Just launch it out of the trunk.
You gotta
Just
get
in the
slow-mo of
parking
it
lot.
going off for the first time. Oh my God, bro.
Is that far enough out?
Oh, that's butter. That's perfect.
So we're watching the footage in real time. We got eye shot. Gordon
Crazy, dude.
guiding the shot.
Go for it one more time.
That's my red up. This is crazy, dude. No, I think you pretty much nailed that first try, no more, so.
First time putting the RED in the air.
Beautiful with Roxanne right there.
We got the boys out here. PrettySweetFPV.
What do you think?
I think that was fire, dude. Let's get the playback going, dude.
Let's go, boys!
Oh my lord. Okay. Look at the sweat on the goggles.
Little.
That thing feels so smooth.
It is so smooth, huh?
Really smooth,
feels
too.
so
Like,
smooth.
even from the little fisheye camera. Perfect.
I'm gonna go throw up now.
I was like, goodbye!
I'm not sure who was more nervous, me or you.
I would probably think you.
Probably.
This looks insane, guys.
Does it?
Yeah.
We got the shot. Let's go.
The shot. That Asante hit at the end is actually sick.
Now I can tell my grandkids, you see that building right there?
I filmed it.
When I was your age, I filmed it. RED.
I'm excited.
Yeah, this is crazy.
I'm very excited.
This is the start of a lot of cool shots.
It's the Genesis.
Yes.
PrettySweetFPV.
We're gonna roll up a celebratory doobski.
Guys,
What?
we're supposed to crack a bottle of wine over the drone, dude.
Oh, wait.
Let me guide you this way. Oh my god, it went well, guys. We finally got it up in the air. We got the shot. Everybody's happy. There's gonna be a lot more where this came from. Thank you. Keep tuned. Stay tuned.